Really excited that we just announced the first, industry first, integration into Schwab's iRebal rebalancing system. Second, the first to integrate into a Schwab's digital account opening, so that entire client onboarding, which means new account opening, money movement, asset movement, is all in the ethos and brand of the advisor. All of this to help deliver true scale to advisory firms. Hey, at T3, we just announced together our partnership with Ritholtz Wealth Management and told the story behind the scenes of their acquisition of Future Advisor and how we transferred together thousands of accounts and got it all set up in 60 days. Super exciting to announce that today. We just got through the holiday season and we already hit the ground running. Our product development team, our engineers, product managers, designers, and testers are really crushing it and delivering a whole bunch of new enhancements throughout 24. We'll be launching soon, don't tell anyone, a new upgraded planning system.